Let me ask you something honestly. Have you applied to 50, maybe 100 jobs, or maybe even more, and still your phone is silent? No interview calls, no recruiter messages, or just those cold emails that say, "We regret to inform you"? After a point, it starts hurting. You start thinking, "Am I not good enough? Or did I study all these years for nothing?" If you are feeling like that right now, I want you to pause for a moment because the problem is very rarely your capability. Most of the time, the problem is the strategy you are using to search for jobs. And today, I want to walk you through why this happens and what you can do differently. When you are searching for a job, the most natural thing to do is open LinkedIn or a job portal and start applying everywhere. It feels like progress. It feels like you are doing something. But here's the uncomfortable truth. When you apply to 50 or 100 jobs with the same resume, you are not increasing your chances. You are only increasing the chances of getting ignored. Recruiters receive hundreds of applications for a single role, and when your resume looks generic, it disappears in the crowd. Here is something most people never tell you. Before a recruiter even sees your resume, a software system reads it first. Many companies use something called an applicant tracking system or ATS. This system scans your resume for specific keywords related to the role. If those keywords are missing, your resume simply doesn't pass the filter. So imagine this for a moment. You think you applied to 100 jobs, but maybe only 10 of those resumes actually reached a recruiter. The rest were filtered out before a human even saw them, and you never even knew. Another thing that silently hurts your chances is how your experience is written. Most resumes sound like this: responsible for handling social media, worked on marketing campaigns, assisted in project coordination. When a recruiter reads that, it feels very vague because every applicant is saying the same thing. What makes your profile powerful is impact. For example, instead of saying handled social media campaigns, say something like managed social media campaigns that increased engagement by 35%. Now, your work suddenly has meaning and results. A simple formula you can use is action plus task plus result. This small change can completely transform how your resume is perceived. There is another reality about the job market that is important to understand. Not every job is filled through job portals. In fact, many roles are filled through referrals and internal networks. That means someone inside the company recommended a profile, which is why networking has become so powerful. LinkedIn is not just a place to scroll motivational posts. It is one of the most powerful career tools available today. Instead of only applying for jobs, try doing this. Search for people working in the company you are interested in. Send a short message like this: "Hi, I came across your profile while exploring opportunities in your company. I would love to understand your experience working there." That's it. No pressure, no resume attachment, just a genuine conversation. Sometimes one conversation can open a door that 100 applications cannot. When someone receives your message or sees your application, the next thing they usually do is check your LinkedIn profile. And that profile silently answers an important question: does this person look serious about their career? A strong LinkedIn profile should have a clear professional photo, a headline that describes your expertise, a short summary of your skills and interest. Instead of writing looking for opportunities, try writing something like MBA graduate, marketing strategy, consumer behavior, and brand growth. Now, your profile immediately communicates who you are professionally. One of the most powerful changes you can make in your job search is this: stop applying everywhere. Start applying strategically. Instead of sending 40 random applications in a day, choose 5 roles that truly match your skills. Read the job description carefully, adjust your resume to highlight the relevant experience, and if possible, connect with someone inside that company. This approach takes more effort, but it dramatically increases your chances. If your job search has been frustrating lately, I want you to remember something very important. Silence from recruiters does not define your capability. It often just means the strategy needs to change. When you start approaching job searching with clarity, preparation, and intention, the same effort begins to produce very different results. If you are navigating the transition from MBA to the corporate world, you are not alone. This channel exists to guide you through that journey. On MBA to Boardroom, I share practical strategies, corporate realities, and career insights that can help you grow with confidence. So, if you want honest guidance for your career journey, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.